So we're going to do a quick unboxing of the Vivint Car Guard. Just going to see what it looks like, how to set it up, and so you know what your customers are going to be going through. As you know, you'll sell it to your customers, and then what will happen is it'll get drop shipped to them, I think within a week. They'll get it in a box just like this. I haven't even opened it, so you're going to see it first time just like I am. So as you can see, it says Vivint Car Guard. What they're going to do is just come and open it up, and then I believe it's going to have some instructions in here of what to do. So this is done. So this right here, for people who don't really know cars very well, when you go get your car checked, at the mechanic, what they do is they plug a computer into what's called your OBD2 port, okay? Your OBD2 port is basically like the USB of your car. This is what this is going to plug into, and it's actually going to stay into. It's going to stay plugged into the car, and that's how your customer is going to be able to track the car if it's stolen, and actually if their kids are driving around or they want to set barriers or parameters of, hey, warn me if it goes outside this area. This is how it tracks it, and this is how it reads everything. This is what sends it to Vivint, who then sends it to their phone. So this plugs into the OBD2 port. We'll show you that in a second. There's a few things we need to do here. Similar to a cell phone, what it has is a SIM card. So this little blue packaging, it's almost exactly like an iPad or a cell phone, where it has this SIM card right here, and it has this little push button tool to get the SIM card out, okay? You can see here there's a little SIM card tray. What we're gonna do is pull this baby out. Stick the pin in the SIM card tray just like you would an iPad. This pops out now. Pull the tray out. I think we all remember doing this one with iPads or whatever the case may be. Little instructions right here too. Gonna punch the SIM card out of the card itself. Put it back in. Take the SIM card, throw it in the tray. You see it's in the tray here. Then we're gonna take the car guard, the unit that plugs into the OBD2 port. We're just gonna push it closed. So hopefully you can see that there, okay? So now that that's closed, let's just look over the manual real quick. See if there's anything else we're missing here. And then we'll go to the next step here. So look for an invitation from Vivint, which I got in my email, that talks about Car Guard. Install the latest version of the Vivint Smart Home app on my phone. I've already done that. Open the app to set up your first Car Guard device. Perfect. Next step, what we need to do now is peel that baby off, and we're gonna go plug it in. So you're gonna come over here to your Vivint app. What you're going to do is come here to Car Guard. See where it says Car Guard? You're gonna tap Car Guard. Welcome to Car Guard, and you're gonna hit Get Started. Simple as that, okay? We already did this. We installed the SIM card into the tray. We're gonna hit Next. Find the 15-digit IMEI code on the back of the device, then tap Scan Device. You hit OK. Okay, now we got to get the IMEI code, which I'm gonna have to. So here on the bottom, it says IMEI. It has the code there, and then what you're gonna do, very simply line it up. Your Car Guard device is now registered. Simple as that. Insert your Car Guard device into the OBD2 port. So it's just right underneath the dash like we spoke about by the pedals. So I'm gonna come down here, once again, find that little plug. And what I'm gonna do here is plug it in. So inside the driver's side of the car, underneath the steering wheel and down by the pedals, you'll see the OBD2 port right here. This is the USB port for the car, basically, okay? You'll see one side it has a tab. On the Car Guard itself, same thing, one side it has a tab. You can see that there. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna find that, come here. It's a little, in. And we're going to plug it in. And so now it's plugged in. You can see the green light. And then now we got to go over to the Vivint app and get the rest of it set up. Then I'm going to hit connect. We're going to name this car Honda Odyssey. Hit done. Hit next. Set home location. Hit next. So it's my home. It already has all my address filled in. So I'm gonna hit next. I'm gonna drag. It wants me to drag a pin. So it's centered on my house here. Bada bing, bada boom. Next. Drag the black circle to include the area where you park. Done. I guess I park around there. Okay, get started. Boom. Done. My vehicle. Awesome. It says it's parked. Then what does this say? Tap here to view settings for each vehicle. Okay. Cool. Gotcha. Perfect. Awesome. Custom actions. Oh, sick. Here you can have it so, hey, open up my garage door if you have a garage door controller. When I pull up to the house, it'll automatically open up the garage door. So little cool things like that that you can go ahead and do with that. So pretty cool. Pretty excited about it. That's what we got.